Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. Silicon Carbide Crucible, as a key tool in the field of modern metallurgy and materials science, with its unique combination of properties, is gradually replacing traditional materials to become the preferred container in high-temperature, highly corrosive environment. The silicon carbide crucible is made of silicon carbide, a compound of silicon and carbon, which not only has the high thermal conductivity of metals, but also has the high temperature strength and corrosion resistance of ceramics. Therefore, the silicon carbide crucible can maintain structural stability at extreme temperatures, while effectively resisting corrosion of corrosive substances. This high-performance, durable design makes it ideal for withstanding high temperatures and harsh chemical environments. In metallurgy and casting industry, silicon carbide crucible is widely used for melting ferrous and non-ferrous metals due to its excellent high temperature and slag resistance. ATCERA Silicon Carbide Crucible can withstand metal melts and corrosive slag at high temperatures. ATCERA Silicon Carbide Crucible is able to withstand high temperatures stably while maintaining the purity of the material, providing a high-quality basis for glass and ceramic production. In the laboratory, silicon carbide crucibles are used for high-temperature chemical analysis and experiments, especially where high precision and pollution-free conditions are required. The field of powder metallurgy requires sintering and melting processes at high temperatures, and a silicon carbide crucible is an ideal tool for this field because of its excellent high temperature and corrosion resistance. In the field of energy production, especially in high-temperature application scenarios such as nuclear energy, silicon carbide crucible is favored for its excellent high-temperature performance. ATCERA Silicon Carbide Crucible, with its unique performance combination and a wide range of applications, has become an indispensable high-performance material in modern industry. Contact ATCERA right now.